Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of licorice. You might think of it as just a tasty treat, but licorice has a history and health benefits that span thousands of years. So, what exactly is licorice? Where does it come from? And are there any risks to eating too much of this exotic confection? Let's find out. Licorice is extracted from the roots of the Licorice glabra plant. This plant has been known for its various health benefits for centuries, with its earliest mentions dating back thousands of years. In ancient civilizations like Egypt, China, Greece, Rome, and India, licorice was highly regarded. For instance, in the Chinese medical text Shengneng Pen Cao Qing from around 2300 BCE, licorice was described as a magical plant that could rejuvenate aging men. Licorice glabra thrives in a region stretching from North Africa across the Middle East to China. One historical photograph shows licorice roots being harvested in a By the Middle Ages, European apothecaries were well aware of licorice's medicinal properties. Extracted licorice juice was bottled and sold across the continent as a remedy for various illnesses, infections, and disorders. So, what are the health benefits of licorice? The key active compound in licorice root is glycyrrhizin, responsible for its sweet taste and antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Licorice root extract can treat a range of ailments, including coughs and certain bacterial and viral infections. It's also used to address skin issues like acne and eczema, and can help relieve symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux disease, such as heartburn. However, glycyrrhizin is also linked to several negative effects. Consuming too much can lead to high blood pressure, lower potassium levels, weakened muscles, and irregular heart rhythms. It can also cause serious fluid and electrolyte imbalances. To mitigate these risks, some products use deglycyrrhizinated licorice, or DGL, which has the glycyrrhizin removed. The World Health Organization suggests limiting glycyrrhizin intake to 100 milligrams per day, a level unlikely to cause adverse effects in most adults. This means you can still enjoy a cup of licorice root tea now and then, a common home remedy for digestive issues. Black licorice, which contains glycyrrhizin along with other compounds like licoricidin and licoritin, can be a refreshing and flavorful treat if enjoyed in moderation. But be aware that glycyrrhizin is about 50 times sweeter than sugar, making it a calorie bomb if you're watching your weight. Licorice candy comes in all shapes and sizes, from wheels and strings to twists and cakes. One of the most famous licorice treats is English licorice allsorts, first produced in Sheffield, England, in 1899 by Geo. Bassett & Co. Limited, the company's mascot, Bertie Bassett, has even become a part of British pop culture. Licorice is enjoyed worldwide, especially in the Netherlands, where more than 20% of all candy sold is licorice, known there as drop. In Germany, the Netherlands, and Nordic countries, some licorice candies are flavored with ammonium chloride, giving them a salty taste and earning them the name salmiak or salmiaki. And a word of caution, not all licorice-flavored candies contain actual licorice root. Some are flavored with anise oil, derived from the anise plant, which has a similar taste. So, if you're a fan of real licorice, be sure to check the label first. And that wraps up our deep dive into the world of licorice. Whether you enjoy it as a sweet treat or appreciate its medicinal properties, remember to enjoy licorice in moderation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fascinating content, and let us know in the comments your favorite way to enjoy licorice. Thanks for watching.